Okay, so let's try to solve this problem. This involves yung maximum power transfer. Sabi sa problem, determine the maximum power that can be delivered to the variable resistor R. So we are referring to this variable resistor R. So ano raw yung maximum power transfer dyan? So kailangan makuha natin yung base po dito sa terminal na ito na A and B, makuha natin yung Thevenin's equivalent. So to do that, kukunin muna natin yung R Thevenin's. So i-redraw natin yung circuit na ito. Ganito yung lalabas sa kanya. So yung voltage source ay shorted. So yan. So ito yung A, ito yung B. So again, this is 25 ohms. Okay, ito naman ay 5 ohms at saka 10 ohms ito. At ito ay 20 ohms. So makikita mo na since ang kinukuha naman natin ay RAB, kasi yung RAB is equal to the R Thevenin's niya, di ba? So pag nakuha natin yung RAB, yun na yung R Thevenin's natin. So mapapansin mo na yung 10 ohms at saka 20 ohms ay nakaparallel. O, nakaparallel siya. At ito rin na 25 at saka 5 ay nakaparallel din. Tapos pagkatapos siya makaparallel, nakaseries na siya. Kaya yung RAB natin is equals to 10 times 20 over 30. Ibaba natin ng konti. Yan. Yan. So, plus, nakaparallel yan. 10 and 20 at saka 25 ay nakaparallel sa 5 ohms. Okay? So, this is divided by 30. So, therefore, pwede na nating makuha yung RAB. So, 10 times 20, that is 200 divided by 30. It will give us 6.67 plus ito naman 25 times 5 divided by 30. So 4.16, 4.17. So this gives us 10.84. 10.84 ohms. So yan yung ano natin, yung R Thevenin's natin is actually equal to 10.84 ohms. So pagkatapos makuha yung R Thevenin's, yung B Thevenin's naman. So yung B Thevenin's dito, okay, is actually equal to the B sub AB. So i-redraw naman uli natin yung circuit, no? Pero at this point, ibabalik natin yung voltage source. Ayan. Ayan. So this is A. B again. So this is 60 volts. And again, this is 10 ohms, 20 ohms, 25 ohms, 5 ohms. So, yun. Bali, kukunin natin yung voltage dito sa point A, punta dito to B. So, para makuha yun, mas maganda siguro Maxwell's mesh tayo. So, yan, dito. Current dito. This is I1. At isang current din dito. This is I sub 2. So, yun. Let's have the Maxwell's mesh current sa mesh 1. So, sa mesh 1, kikita mo na ito yung ano natin, negative 60. Dito, di ba? Yan, negative 60. Tapos, punta dito. Yan, ganyan. Kita natin na yung 10 at saka 20 ay series. So, that is plus 30. So, times, yung current dyan, reference natin ay I1, tsaka pasalungat si I2. So, wala nang iba pa, that is equals to 0. So, itong equation na ito ay simplify natin. So this will be 30 I sub 1 minus I sub 2, okay, is equals to 60. So i-divide natin yan ng 30. So lalabas na I1 minus I2 equals to 2. So ito yung equation 1 natin. So maliwanag yan, no? Yung mesh 2 naman, yan yun, this one. So makikita mo na yung 25 at saka 5 ay nakaseries. So that is 30. So 30 I2. Okay, itong again 20 at saka 10 nakaseries. So 30 din siya. Yung reference natin ay I2. Subtract yung I1 equals 0. Ayan. Bali, simplify natin, it will give us negative 30 I1 plus 60 I2 equals 0. Or, divide by the 30, that is negative I1 plus 2 I2 equals 0. Equation 2. So, by substitution, to get I1 and I2. So, itong equation na to can be written as I1 is equals to 2 I2. Okay? So, yun. Bali, substitute natin yung equation 2 to equation 1. Yung I1 minus I2 will become 2I2 minus I2 equals 2. 2I2 minus I2 is I2. So, I2 is equals to 2 ampere. So, maliwanag, no? Na yung I2 natin is 2 ampere. So, yung I1, makukuha din natin. I1 is 2 times I2, which is equals to 4 ampere. So, yan, yung mga currents niya. Ngayon, meron tayong current dito, yan. So, pangalanan natin siya na IX kasi dalawa yung current dyan. So, si IX natin is actually, yan. So, si I1 minus I sub 2. So, therefore, si IX is 4 amperes minus 2, which is equals to 2 ampere. So, yan yung gagamitin natin na current to get the voltage at 10 ohms. So, yung polarity ng 10 ohms natin, papasok dito, positive, lalabas sa negative. Yung polarity naman dito sa 25 ohms, papasok dito, lalabas dito. Okay? So, therefore, ano yung voltage natin? VAB. So, yung VAB natin is, so this is more positive and this is more negative. Ayan. So, kita mo na yung 10 ohms mo ay parehas ng VAB mo. So, this is plus 10. Yung current dyan is IX. So, that is 2 ampere. So, ito naman na 25 mo ay salungat sa VAB. That is negative. So, 25 ohms times I2, which is 2 amperes, equals 0. So, makukuha na natin yung VAB. So, yung VThevenin natin is equals to the value ng VAB natin. So, anong value ng VAB natin? That is 20 minus 50, negative 30, lipat sa kabila. So, it becomes positive. So, that is 30 volts. So, yan yung VThevenin natin. So, entonces, makukuha na natin yung value ng maximum power transfer natin sa R. So, yung maximum power transfer natin is simply as we have this equation that Pmax is VTH squared all over 4RTH. So, yung mga Thevenin's value na yan ay nakuha na natin. So, yung VTH is 30 volts. So, this is 30 squared all over. So, 4 times RTH. Yung RTH natin ay ito. So, 10.84. So, isalpak lang natin dyan. 10.84. Ayan. So, kunin natin yung calculator. So, it will give us 20.76 watts. Okay? So, this will be our final answer. Ito yung maximum power transfer doon sa R. That is 20.76. So, ganun lang yung pag-solve ng circuit na ito using Thevenin's theorem to get the maximum power transfer. Okay? Sige, thank you.